Teresa. The theme of my speech today is how to make the world a better place. I think if we want to make the global environment better, we can start with the little things in daily life. Also, the strength of a person is very small. As long as everyone is willing to make a little change, pay a little more, and gather the strength of everyone, it will eventually change the world. How do we do it? First of all, we should create a social harmony. If everyone can be friendly and help each other, don't care too much and quarrel, there will be fewer quarrels and more peace. Second, we must take care of the Earth's environment. Do not drop trash with abandon. Do a good job in garbage classification and resource recycling to enable sustainable use of resources. Third, we should cherish the resource of the earth. We must know how to save energy. For example, turn off the lights at night, unplug unused plugs to avoid energy waste. We should also take care of the property. Do not destroy it arbitrarily, and jointly protect the environment. If everyone is friendly and caring, and willing to contribute to the world, the relationship between people will be better, and the crying earth will show a smile. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.